I made this vision get blurry. I'm too clean for this. I'm too lean for this. Figure it would happen, so I brought my team for this.
Yes sir, I'm the realest player, trap star, selling the biggest bricks. I'm the realest player, rap bar, smoking purplish. Step up in the club, I got love, cause I'm rich. The girl between my legs, do me up like I'm licorice. 25 stacks at the bar, ice on my wrist. Step up to this pimp and get your braided hair wig split. Back up in my Chevy, brains blown out, peanut butter, riding high, staying high. I'm talking like a
drunk ass motherfucker, throw your hood up, get drunk ass motherfucker, throw your hood up, get drunk ass motherfucker, hold your drinks up, get drunk ass motherfucker, hold your drinks up, lay back ass motherfucker, turn that bottle up, lay back ass motherfucker, turn that bottle up, throw them stacks up, man, right, what? Throw them stacks up, man, right, what? Goose got me loose, go to patrol, money in my pocket and I'm all up in this zone line. Ooh, I'ma act a damn fool, yeah. Ooh, I'm about to act a fool, yeah. Goose got me loose, go to patrol, money in my pocket and I'm all up in this zone line. Ooh, I'ma act a damn fool, yeah. Ooh, I'm about to act a fool, yeah.
Impossible, it's not probable, irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as